Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. 200 families with 2 children each were selected randomly and the following data were recorded. So this is the given data. The number of girls in a family is given and corresponding to that the number of families are given. So out of these families, one family is selected at random and we have to find the probability that the selected family has no girls. So for that, let us see what the data is given. Number of families having no girls. No girls means 0 girls, and we can see that number is 30 from the given table. Now the total number of families it is given is 200, or we can see it can be calculated by adding this number of families 50, 120 and 30, which is nothing but 200. So 200 total families are there. Now we have to find the probability that the selected family has no girls. So we have to select one family at random and we have to find that the probability that the selected family has no girls. So to find probability, we know it is calculated by the favorable cases by total number of cases. Here favorable cases are number of families having no girls, which we have calculated 30, and or it is given 30, and the total number of families we know is 200. So let us substitute this value 30 and 200, and if we simplify it, this will be equal to 0.15. So this is the required probability. So this is the answer, 0.15.